Let's go.
And what number is that? Is that a 5?
Does it go over here?
What do you tell me? Does it fit in there?
Yes. How do you put this thing down? Oh.
Looky there.
Hey! Where? Oh, there we go. Is that an L?
Well, it's an L, but if you turn it over, it's a number 1, remember?
Oh, it is a number 1.
Number 1 goes where? Does it go by the 2? Number 1 and number 2?
This goes right here.
What number is that?
It's, do you remember that number?
It's 7.
Aha!
And there's 1. Very good job. Look, you put them all in. We're only missing one animal.
Oh, when you laugh.
That is awesome.
You're welcome.
You did a wonderful job.
My fingers did that.
Yeah, they did.
And they said yes. And they said, you're welcome.
Well, that's good.
Hey, they can read those.
Would you like to do something different now?
Yeah.
Okay.
My fingers want to do